Welcome to EcoSchools. This is a short instructional video to help schools navigate the Platinum certification process. This process allows you to register your program, upload your portfolio, and view past certification reports and design consultations. Why is this important? Well, we're encouraging paperless portfolios as part of our EcoSchools goal to reduce paper consumption. This new platform enables schools to build on their program by saving past achievements and updating it year to year. There are two required components we will discuss: how to register and completing your application and uploading your online portfolio. Step 1. Registration. To apply for Platinum certification, you must register your school by October 30th to be eligible to apply for EcoSchool certification. Schools must apply every year for certification or recertification. The first step in registering is to log on to TDSB web from your school computer. Once you've arrived there, use the drop-down menu on the top right of the screen to select EcoSchools. Next, use the menu option located on the left to select Register/Apply. Then click the Online Certification Application link. Click OK on the pop-up. Enter your school name on the left if you have not already registered. It is important to note that the right pane is for when you have already registered your school and want to log back into the application. Next, fill out the EcoSchool certification registration form. Include your role, first name, your last name, and your email. Create a password that is easy to remember and share it with the rest of the team. As well, on the bottom left of the screen, you will find a box to indicate whether or not your school intends on uploading an online portfolio for this school year. We are encouraging schools to participate in this option as we are moving towards a mandatory paperless portfolio in the next few years. If you are undecided, you can opt in at a later date. Click Register once the fields are completed. You will be brought to the Intent to Apply page, which outlines the requirements to apply for Platinum certification. Please indicate whether you would like to apply for certification by selecting the appropriate option. Then click Finish once completed. Click here to continue. You have now registered your school for an audit. Step 2. Completing the application. We are encouraging you to update your application after each ECO event or initiative to ensure its completion by November 15th, which is the interim application deadline. Have students work on the application to minimize the workload. A new feature this year is that all text boxes and checkboxes from the self-assessment will be brought forward from the previous year. You must update and review to ensure the information stays relevant. Hopefully, this saves time and allows for a smooth transition year to year as you build on your program. Now you should see the Steps to Certify page. You can fill out the self-assessment by selecting the Leadership and Teamwork link located on the left side of the page under the heading Completing the Certification Application. Fill out the self-assessment for all sections. Some questions have checkboxes. Read the options and select all that apply. Feel free to write any examples not mentioned in the space provided. Don't forget to assess your school based on the quality and quantity of your program initiatives. The number of boxes you check can be used as a guide for completing the self-assessment. As well, every section of the program has a portfolio requirement. Just look for the folder icons within each section. For instance, this section includes a folder where you can upload an electronic version of your EcoTeam timeline and team structure documents. We are encouraging schools to transition towards an online portfolio. This will facilitate the audit and keep your portfolio organized. Please note you must opt in the online portfolio option to be able to upload your documents. You can opt in at any time by going to the Edit My Registration Info page located on the left side of the screen. Since I've opted in the online portfolio option, I will walk you through the process in uploading your documents. First, you should click the link below the folder icon. You can upload pictures, Word files, and PDFs. Remember that your file size should be 5 megabytes or less. Click the New File button located on the top right corner. Next, you have two options. You can upload a file or type in a link to access the file. Here, I will upload a file. Click on Browse and select the file you would like to upload. Click Open to retrieve the file. Enter a description in the space provided. Then click Upload. If you want to delete a file that you have uploaded, click the delete button and start this process over again. Click the close button once you have uploaded your documents. For further instructions on how to upload files, please review the Upload My Documents link under the heading Certification Application How-Tos. Now that you've filled out the self-assessment and uploaded the portfolio requirements, click Save and then click Next to proceed. Clicking the Save button ensures all changes are stored so that if more than one person is working on the application, you'll be able to view previously completed questions. At any point, you can click the Summary of Application link to view your progress. Once you've completed all sections, you can click Submit My Application. The program will not allow you to submit your application until all sections are filled out. A pop-up will appear to ensure you have completed the outlined requirements. Once you have checked all the boxes, you will be able to submit your application. You have now completed the interim application. Interim audits will take place between December and January. In order to be eligible for Platinum certification, you must complete a second and final application by April 15th. The final audit will take place between May and June. For further information, refer to the Platinum certification instructions on the left side of the page, which provide an outline for the program. As well, you can contact Wendy Abbott if you need further clarification. Thank you for watching and good luck this year.